What is a GCS bucket? A GCS bucket has a globally unique name and must be unique across all of Google Cloud. It holds an arbitrary number of objects, each identified by an object name. Objects are individual data items you store. It consists of the data itself plus metadata. The user chooses a location where the bucket lives. It could be multi-regional, regional, or dual region. Storage classes. You can optimize cost and performance by selecting a storage class during bucket creation. There are 4 types of storage classes. Standard for frequently accessed data, Nearline for infrequent access, Cold Line for rare access, and Archive for archival data. The pricing differs based on your storage classes. Standard has higher storage cost but no retrieval fee, but Archive has the lowest storage cost but highest retrieval fee. Authentication and access control. Assign roles like storage object viewer, storage object admin, etc. at the project, bucket, or object level. Common operations performed are creation of a bucket, uploading an object, listing the bucket contents, and setting IAM policies. In summary, GCS bucket is a top-level entity in Google Cloud Storage. The user chooses its location, storage class, and access controls. Then they store, organize, and manage the objects within it. Whether you're hosting a static website, archiving logs, or building a data lake, buckets provide a simple, scalable, and durable foundation for all your cloud storage needs.